How you doing? Welcome to Get It Outta Here with Lauren Rahovchek, a show where I roast and affordably redesign ugly rooms. Let's go. Well, Jeffrey Dahmer's got a room for rent. This is like a crime scene, except the lights are on and there is no luminol needed. Yet somehow it's scarier. This looks like Jackson Pollock had explosive diarrhea. This looks like some dude went camping with splatter enamelware, came home and decorated before the mushrooms wore off. Sick, bro. My sister Amy was like, can you do an episode on how to make the right furniture choices? And I was like, yeah, of course. Also, that would be a great comment for you to leave. Hint, hint. So that's this episode's focus. Let's get ceiling fixture options. I see this and I know it's IKEA, so that's a no. This is a no because it's way too long. This one may work. I really like this one. Just so you know, these are never the answer. Get it out of here. This one will make the room feel too cold. We already have a metal. This is too low and medieval feeling. These are our three front runners. You need to make a vision board. This one hangs too low. I don't like this with the bed, and I absolutely love the warmth that comes with the linen drum and wood. Next is bedding. There's crazy cheap bedding on our Corporate Overlords website. I want clean lines with texture to soften the metal bed frame. I'm obsessed with this vintage IKEA dresser. This rug is warm and visually interesting, but still calm. I like the foundation pieces of a room to be calm. Let's get table lamp options. This one's too Home Goods 2010. I can't have more wood, which leaves these. Let's try them on. They both work, so let's leave it for a game day decision. I want wall macrame because it's so easy to design with art. It can be a Facebook Marketplace challenge, but I do stand corrected. But let's get a macrame mirror for good luck and a small stool for a nightstand. This is our vision board. This room is so dark. I'm excited to freshen it up with our paint color and area rug. You really got to remove yourself from what your room looks like right now. And remember, it is just 4 walls and the floor. That helps a lot with the overwhelmed feelings of starting a design. I love the decision on this light. Do you? Let me know in the comments. Hint, hint. This chest of drawers is such a simple style. It helps warm up the metal bed too. I made the game day decision on the lamp because it ties in so nicely with the artwork. The macrame mirror also scratches my texture itch, and we are done. What a friggin' improvement. Would you have done anything differently? Let's do a recap. If you can identify an inexpensive item from a cheap store, skip it. Get it out of here. Too much of a good thing is bad. I'm talking metal or wood. We want to mix finishes and feel the balance. And finally, don't decorate on drugs. Keep those two things far apart. All right, well, that was quite a massive transformation and very inexpensive too. If you liked this episode, please hit the button, comment down below, share, subscribe, follow me on socials, and remember, if it doesn't look good, get it out of here. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Oh, good ground.
New episodes of Get It Outta Here post every first and third Monday of the month. Please comment, share, like, subscribe.